Okay, so when they ask us for the resultant and they give us this kind of information, 9 units south, then 3 units east. Okay, so in my head, I know I have north, south, east, and west. And the easiest way to do this, if I'm not starting with the point 0, so I can start anywhere. So I'm going to start at this point here, and it says to go 9 units south. From that point, okay, I'm going to go south, which is this direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this was my tail, and this is the head. Okay, so now I have 9 units there. I'll just put that so I don't forget. And then it says that I'm going to go 3 units east. So in a sense, it's almost like following a map. So I go this far, then I'm starting here, and now I'm going east 3 units. So 1, 2, 3. And that is the movement here. And so now when they talk about resultant, they're actually talking about if I join this together, sorry, that was really off there. If I join that together, what is the amount of units? Okay, so in other words, a resultant. Now you can see that this creates a right angle triangle, and in almost all cases it will. And so I literally do that. I see that I'm trying to find my hypotenuse, which will equal, in this case, the resultant. So just a matter of taking it and doing it. So we use our black, and so we're going to go x squared equals, and that looks pretty thick to me. We have 9 squared plus 3 squared, so we're looking at 81, 1 plus 9, which is 90. Then we take the square root of that, and again, that's just taking your calculator and coming up with that. And I don't have one in my hand, so I'm not going to do that. Now, if I want to know direction, if I just want to know the resultant, that gives it to me. That's it. In this case, it's going to be the square root of 90. If I actually want to know the angle, in other words, the direction, then again, I can use trig and I can find theta by using SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so it's not that difficult to do that. So it looks a little scary or intimidating, but actually you can do it really just using Pythagorean theorem.